Hello students, so I am back with my new video, and this video is on formal letter of invitation. In my previous video, I have already told you, we can say taught you formal invitation and informal invitation. Normally, children always think that there are two kinds of invitation. One is formal invitation, which is in card form, and another informal invitation, which is in letter form. But there is actually third kind of invitation also, that is formal letter of invitation. So here both the words are used. Formal word is used, okay, which is card form, but then there is letter of invitation. Letter means informal. So sometimes children get confused that now this is formal or this is informal. Actually, it is neither formal nor informal. This is a different kind of invitation, that is formal letter of invitation. Now, what is important in this formal letter of invitation? Whenever this word comes formal letter, you should remember one thing, that in this invitation we are to use third person only. And in my one of the videos, I have already taught you persons also, because persons are actually in English grammar very important. Okay, so here when we say third person only is to be used, the thing is that you should know what is third person. Third person is he, she, it, any name, and then plural of this third person is they. Actually, I family is first person, you and you family is second person, the rest of the word is third person. So it means this formal letter of invitation, we are not to write in first and second person. We are to use only third person. Okay. So today I am going to teach you this formal letter of invitation, and we will see how we are to use third person. Okay. So now you can see the question. I am giving you first of all question. With the help of question only, you will be able to understand clearly. Now the question is, Sameer Hans is opening a new general store, Easy Shopping, in Ashok Vihar, Phase 2. Okay, this is the question. Phase 2, Delhi. The inauguration ceremony is fixed for Monday, November 30, 2020. Draft a formal letter of invitation to be sent to your childhood friend Rohan Bajaj, and word limit is 50 words. Now you should know, first of all, this is question number 3. Question number 3 means it should be in a box. Okay, and this question which is in a box, the word limit would always be 50 words. Whether it is given or not, you should remember this is 50 words word limit. Okay, so here in this question, you are to invite your friend. Okay, it can be, sometime just to, make the question little bit confusing for the students, we use different words. Like here we have used childhood friend. You should not worry about childhood friend. Okay, whether this is childhood friend or a simple friend or your best friend, okay, this word has nothing to do with the question. So first of all, don't worry about this question. Okay, this childhood friend. Now we start with the answer. Make a box and then start with the date. You need not write address, any address, especially sender's address. Okay, because this is formal letter of invitation. Formal means you are not to write any address. Directly start with the date. Okay, like make a box and inside start with the date November 21, 2020, and directly you will start with the body, and here you have to remember you have to use only third person. Okay, so third person means with name only you will be using. Mr. Sameer Hans feels pleasure. You can use any word. Feels pleasure, feels excited, feels glad, feels happy, feels wonderful. There are so many words. Okay, learn some word. Okay, one single word you can learn, whatever word you want to learn. So Mr. Samir Hans feels pleasure or excited or glad or happy or wonderful to announce the opening of his general store Easy Shopping, because this is given in the question. Easy Shopping in Ashok Vihar, Phase 2, Delhi on Monday. Okay, these descriptions you are to give, whether Monday word is given or not, whether date is given or not, then you will have to take your own date. If the things are given in the question, well and good. If things are not given, even then you are to write these words, because you are to reach to 50 words. So that's why Monday, Tuesday, whatever you will be writing. Okay, so on Monday, November 30, 2020, the inauguration ceremony will be at 11 a.m. This is again up to you. Okay, inauguration ceremony will be at 11 a.m. followed by puja, havan and lunch. Now this is again up to you. Followed by puja, followed by only havan, followed by only lunch, or followed by we can say DJ and tea party, whatever. So you are to write something, because basic thing is we are to reach to 50 words, because these 50 words limit you are to remember. That's why we are using all these words. We are giving this much detail. Okay. So, and lunch. Mr. Samir Hans cordially invites Rohan Bajaj along with his family to grace the occasion. Okay. So this you are to write. To grace the occasion. This is again formal. No worry. Okay. This is formal only. To grace the occasion. Mr. Samir expects Rohan Bajaj and family to join Samir for the puja also. And then Samir Hans. So this is formal. You are not to write your friend Samir Hans. Okay. You are not to write I expect, because you are to use only third person. Third person means he, she, it, any name, or they or them or their. Okay. So this is how we write formal letter of invitation. So this is not card form, and this is not a simple way of writing letter. Okay, so we can say this is a mixture of both. Okay, that's why this is called formal letter of invitation. I hope this question is clear to you. Again, I would say practice all these questions. Okay, then only you will feel that yes, you have understood, and now you are able to write the correct answer and would be able to get 100% marks in this question. I hope you have understood. In my next video, now I will be talking about the replies. So wait for that. Thank you.